Hi everyone, how are you? This is Atheer, Mahir, the database module leader, and this is the last version of the Excel sheet of the standardization feedback. I spent a lot of time to work on it, like days and hours, and here we'll give you like a brief instructions how to use it and to make the whole things working easily. So these are the general instruction, but when you are going to this is the assignment 1 and this is the assignment 2. What you need to create a copy of this file for each student. So you can put the student name, student ID in here, the marker, which is your name. So let's say if I put the HE 19888, it's just example, the marker is Atheer Mahir, and the date, let's say 10th of March, because we are almost at that time, so 2026. And extension, did the students has the extension or not, so you have to put it like this. Similarity, let's say it's 19%. Word count, let's say is 1600. And late day, there's no late day. And did he, let's say he met the assignment number 1, he met the assignment number 2. The AI score, let's say he has like 45% of the AI score. So if this is 45%, so no need for the other things. But if I said it's 60%, so here this is the question is coming automatically. Did you conduct the primary meeting with students? So if I said no, okay, so that's it. The final mark will come like is 1, because this is the academic misconduct. Do you apply the similarity penalty? Let's say if this is the case, like if he has like more than 20%, so you can put it here and we'll give you the level of that one. So let's say if the similarity is let's say 44%, okay, and the word is about 2500, and the late is 2 days, let's say that. So you see here, this is the warning, it's coming. So if I wanted to apply the penalty for this, so I will say yes, and I will give like for the maximum similarity, I will give like 6 marks. So this is the level 2 of this one, and it will take like 60% of 6 marks, which is 4 marks here deduction. If I want to like apply the word count penalty, so if I said yes, I want this for this one, and I will give like 9 marks. So as you see, this is the percentage of the word in here. It's about 66.6%, which is about 2/3 of this mark, deduction mark. So there's like 6 marks deduction. Word of this. So let's say I did the preliminary meeting, okay, so let's say this, and here I wanted to put like a penalty for this one, so I will put like 10 marks. I'll put like maybe I'll put like 5 marks, let's say that. And here I'm going to put yes, I want to put the penalty. So here is the did you do the did you conduct the preliminary meeting with students? Yes. Do you believe the students' work is original? So let's say yes, I believe it's original, so I accept that one. Do you believe the AI score is false positive? So yes. Okay, let's say the AI score is not right. Okay, or maybe I can say no. Okay, do you believe this is, I need just to get this. So do you believe students use AI tools for rephrasing and spelling? So let's say it's yes. So if this is the yes, actually the AI score penalty is 5 because he admit to use it. Okay, but if I said no, So you will see the 0. So if the student using the AI for this, and you believe that this is his work, but he used the AI for rephrasing and these things, which is not affecting on the practical work, so you can say yes. The AI score is right, but he admit to use it for this one, so we need to and you wanted to give him like penalty for that, so put the mark that you want. Let's say if I put 10, this is will be 10. If I put 20, this is will be 20, and so on. So you can estimate that one or agreed with the manager. But if you said no, so there is no penalty, because in this case everything will be fine for that one. If he said if did you conduct this, do you believe the student's work is original? If I said no in here, so we need to go with the academic misconduct. I think I need to there's some bug in here, I need to fix it. Okay, I will fix it later. So anyway, if this is said no, okay, so this is the one mark. Anyway, if I said yes and I said this yes, so everything will be fine. If I said yes in here, so it will come this, so I will put like 5 in here, just in case how we are estimating these values. Okay, so you can prepare like a document with filling the original things and then copy it for each student. Okay, so let's say the students get like highest mark in here. So this is the 4, because we have like 4 degrees. Let's say this is 3, this is 2, and this is 4 for each task in here. Okay, so you can read the task. Okay, and which learning outcome was the maximum. And if you need to add any special comment, so you can add it here. When it's take it, it will take it in here, because this is the final one. I will remove it, I will keep this one. And if you have like evidence, let's say the evidence is this, it also will take it and take it. Now, as long as this is the one, so as you see, the students get actually the original mark is 74, the late penalty is 10, the similarity penalty is 4 if we want to consider it, the word penalty is 6, the AI score penalty is 5, so the final mark is 49. Now if you wanted to know about the feedback, so I can go and just copy this one in here. Okay, and I will put it in here, so to see the things, you can say this one in here, notepad. This is on notes, so you can see, dear students, thank you for submitting this one. However, unfortunately, there are some deduction applied, and however, unfortunately, this is repeated 2 times, so you need to review this one and remove the any extra thing. Okay, and then it will go with the definition of the divisions of each score in here. I don't know why it's repeated 2 times in here, but I believe this is let me see, this is the maximum here, 15, yes. So this is right. So 11 of 15, 11 of 15, 15 of 20. I don't know where's the, yeah. And this is the 4 out of 5, yeah. And 4 out 3 of 4 of 5, and 4 of 5. Yes, you're right. So this is 8 out of 10. It should be, yes, this is the 8 out of 10. Okay, so these are the marks, and this is the final mark. So as you see here, it said original mark is this, and this is how we are dividing this. Okay, so overall your work is at a third class level. To secure a stronger pass to 2, prioritize 1, completing this. 2, so it's give the full feedback for students how to do his assignment in a perfect way. So this is how we are creating the feedback. This is how we are creating the marking. Thank you very much. And if you have any reflection, anything, keep in mind that this is the first version of the feedback, or this is the version 10 of the development, that I did it in these 12 hours. Still, I need to work on this, but as the things that it's produced, you can just review it and remove any redundancy from there and read the feedback. If you find it is suitable, you can go and just copy and paste. The same thing is for the assignment 2. So assignment 2 here, I have like more divisions for the assignment 2, so you can go with the same idea, the same things, and the feedback will appear in here, and you can just copy and paste that one. Thank you for listening, and thank you for doing the hard work with the students of the database. But this is how I create the standards feedback that you can use it to unify the feedback between all our tutors. Thank you very much, and I'm waiting for your reflection as soon as possible.